we are going to check a parsaga.com website. In this website I'm going to show you a new project. The project can be give you biggest and biggest profit in the near future. Okay, so let's get started with the video and I will show you all information about the project so you can earn something by the project Parsaga. Let's get started. You can say the data grade blockchain fast, easy and safe is available. Everything is the possible on the data graph. You can say that we started a blockchain journey with the solve the problems and data exchanges between machines. We are learn something and game changing along the way. How to take the trade between the human and the new hate speed, easy to and secure. You can check the total economics. You can check the all things available and the security. We can build a future that provided by the data blockchain. In the future where we send a network let us image our blockchain economy and the pro in quantity and the life not just today but many years into future. You can check over the last 3 years we have token considering industry lending development some of the other world solution providers we have between Inspire the platform airways and the data across the chain are available. Image allocation between all is available, local amount of rain, all of the possible define available. Paper and answers, you can check the we are not to provide with that however most important we have the shared version of it become the important not only document of game blockchain development but the contributive joining blockchain available so you can earn something much profit. Commerce website answer data community with the Parsaga has the greatest community development manager token holder across the social media and the platforms. We all have all featured digital pin present making easy find easy made community and the digital finance ensure that we are waiting with us cooperate build the share and the with together for the L. Let's start connected with the more. You can join their official websites. Go and join their website and all social media accounts so you can stay updated from the so you can check your phone, your computer and your all department how to operate the system to make easy development and the focus on the good but blockchain has been hard. We need to blockchain to easy development for the not of the operation system the blockchain. XBOM market is easy to develop and use the blockchain holders, founder and CEO. New releases, you can understand the blockchain first, big launch operating system announcement 26 January 2021 trade completion peer monthly short available. You can check it out. You can check the trade fund plane, registered community. You can check all things. You can check the pre-sale is available here, so you can join the pre-sale and get more profitable it, and you can earn something big. Yeah, the crypto alerts, revolution, DeFi token community pre-sale available. So you can check their website and you can earn something good amount of tokens, so you can get profit from it. Affiliation. You can check the chain, the wall again. You can check the presentation between industry and combination. Low level protocol agree to scale network community. We are created our 2 new variation and the note of event you cannot even close the there is still impression future be created. Yes, you can step there. You can check the founders, you can check the missile device in breed all exchanges available. Experts are available, chief computer operator, chief decentralized operator, CEO of SCR. Our biggest persons are team member. Sign up to come monthly newsletter so you can get step updated and you can take profit from when you are updated the token. You can earn a good amount of profit you can earn by the staying the updated in the community, because if you updated you can trade mesh token and you can earn something biggest too. You can just sign up there and you can all the connecting without the rules from the everything is available. You can join the social media, Telegram, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn available so you can get more and more profit from it. You can say the answer, you can take the community, you can check all the news which has been available so you can get answer. If you want to answer the any questions, so just go and DeFi, just go and marketing, just go and DeFi, so you will get answer of the question. You can see the question. Almost everyone invested in the large DeFi project and the developer has every return as in fast. For what reason can convert small and large investor turn into invest in your project? Yes, is the biggest thing. Yes, so if you click the question you can get their answer. Yes, you can check that there are a lot of new blockchain investment opportunity. Now chance to be a part of the next generation blockchain technology goes to behind the quick returns small DeFi project we have believed that is sold out there. You can check the great roadmap for the outer DeFi strategy, community building and great strong base on the token holders. We know the loss of the separating but the Spain and the merch the token holders. You can get a lot of suspecting but the same much time marketing such as notifications so you can get more and more profit from it, so you can stay updated from it. Yes, you can check all answers here so you can check updated. Yes, I will share with the